Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to add a calendar into Outlook. Let's do it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are in the Outlook browser version. On the left hand side, you will see the calendar option. It should be in this toolbar. And over here on the left hand side, this additional toolbar, you'll see add calendar. And here'll be a list of all of your added calendars. Let's go and click on add calendar. Over here, you can add a holiday calendar. You can edit one of your existing calendars, and then you can create a blank calendar. You can also subscribe to a calendar from a website, and then you can also upload from a file. Okay, so let's go and create a blank calendar. You can give it a name. Let's say new calendar. We can also give it a color. Let's make it red. You can also give it an image or an emoji over here. So let's use that one. And then you can add it to a specific calendar folder. So if you've got specific calendar folders, then you can just go ahead and create them right over here. And then when we are done with all of these options, we are simply going to click on save. This will now be saved. If you just go out over here, you may have to refresh this page. You will see your new calendar right over here under your list.